120 Hz variable screen refresh rate, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes ROM, an LTPO OLED display, Android 14, 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the phone literally supports 5G. Yeah, those are the specs for the new Google Pixel phone. Okay, so recently Google just had their 2023 keynote where they talked about their new and improved Pixel devices. The Pixel phone, the Pixel Watch 2, the earbuds, and the tablets. But basically in this video we'll be talking more about the phone, and let me just say that this phone packs a bunch, like advanced features including astrophotography, call assistant, the photo Unblur tool, the car crash detector, and an inbuilt VPN. About the call assistant, it's basically having two features. The first feature is call clearing, and call clearing basically meaning that you can actually reduce the background noise whilst you're calling a person. And the iPhone 15 actually has that kind of feature, and I think it's called the voice or the noise isolation. And I feel like it's a really good feature, but nobody really cares about call features. I mean, you just call a person, that's basically it. But I'm telling you, these are features you should actually look forward to in a new Google phone. And for the call screen, that is the phone automatically picking up unknown calls to identify them as either spams or no spams. So yeah, so the phone basically automatically picks up calls for you, and I feel like that's a really cool AI feature. It's a really cool stuff. I don't really think I would use it personally, but I mean, people would have like good uses for it. I mean, some people don't like taking calls, but I just reject most calls. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the Google Pixel 8. Okay, so about the display, it's a 6.2-inch display, and Google has introduced a new kind of hardware feature. Basically, they call it the Actra display, and this improves the brightness of the screen and also gives it a variable refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. And the Google Pixel 7 had 90 Hz refresh rate screen, so I feel like that's a really big improvement for the base model of the phone. So moving to the Google Pixel 8 Pro, I mean that the phone is a banger. Like, you should see the phone because the phone is a 6.8-inch display, and Google has also introduced another hardware feature called the Super Actra display on the Pro device, and that basically also improves the brightness of the screen to like 2400 nits peak brightness and a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. So basically meaning the screen is an LTPO display. It's capable of that, like reducing the screen to nothing for complete energy saving. Okay, we've all been asking ourselves the question, what is the other circle beneath the one we all know at the rim of the camera, right? What is it? What does it do? What is it there for? Why is it on the Pro device and it's not on the 8, the base model? Why? Folks, I'm here to introduce the new temperature sensor that Google has included in the 8 Pro, and it's a hell of an improvement. Like, basically all it does is it measures the temperature of objects close to it. That's all it does. So I mean, you can put it close to your coffee and measure the temperature of your coffee. I feel like I would really use this feature a lot, but I mean, I've never used a phone with that kind of feature before, so I don't know why I feel like I would get so used to it, but I just feel like I would really like it. But no, this is a first gen innovation on the Google Pixel phone, so let's not expect too much from it because first gen technology isn't always as perfect as later versions of it, right? So let's not expect too much from it, but let's look forward to it. And now we have got to the best part of the video for me personally, but I do not know for you because I am a person of performance, right? Every gadget I buy, I look at the performance sheet, the specs. I look at what it can do. If it can play intensive games, if it can multitask without any difficulty, right? That is all. That is what most people look out in the latest tech releases. And ladies and gentlemen, I am about to tell you that Google has just released their new Tensor G3 chip. And that chip is a beast. Look, basically, the chip is what makes the Google Pixel 8 the Google Pixel 8. Because that is literally what it does. It makes the phone what it is. It's so powerful. It has given the phone a lot more to do AI wise, in terms of AI, right? So basically, it has given Google an open space to implement new AI capabilities, AI elements that are really, really cool, like so amazing. And one AI feature I can actually say for sure that they've introduced is the assistant with Bard. It's no more the Google Assistant, it's the assistant with Bard. And that is basically Bard infused into the Google Assistant. And I feel like that would be a really powerful and cool feature. An AI that could do literally almost anything for you need it to do on a phone, right? So it could do that. And it's all thanks to the Tensor G3 chip. And the chip has also made the phone 2 times the machine learning model on device than the Google Pixel 6. 2 times. 2 times. That is a big improvement. I mean, honestly, I have seen other brands do better, but I mean, this is a phone brand, right? This is a phone you could actually take anywhere you want. So like, it's having this better performance is a plus, right? Is a plus to the user, right? So basically, the chip has improved the interpolation, computing, and the overall performance of the phone, including the CPU and the GPU. And also, yeah, a new color has been introduced. I mean, that's not really a big deal or anything, but I mean, it's a color, and it's bay blue, Google's new bay blue color, and it's a really nice color. But for me personally, I feel like it's too obvious. Like, I don't really want that much attention when I'm using my phone, right? So I would just calmly go for a matte black or some kind of really subtle creamy white color. That is what I would for, but I think I'll go for the matte black. And also, Google's plan to reduce the amount of carbon emissions in their products. Yeah, they've achieved that in the Google Pixel 8, their new products this year, right? They've improved on it. And also, they are also aiming at complete elimination of zero carbon emissions by 2030. And I feel like that's a really good thing. I feel like we're all taking responsibility and taking action on what is happening in the world today. And I feel like that is what we should actually be doing. And we are doing it. And that's a plus for all of us, right? So that's a really good thing Google is looking out for. So the Google Pixel 8 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Really nice devices. I would get one. I wish you would too. I hope you get one, because the phone is a step up indeed from its predecessors. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Check out.